Assalamu alaikum. Today we learn all about colors. So let's start. Green, 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 green. So let's find the objects that are green in color. Green frog, green fish, green crocodile, green truck, blue, 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 blue. So let's find the objects that are blue in color. Blue cloud, blue dolphin, blue blueberry, blue flower. Yellow, 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 yellow. So let's find the objects that are yellow in color. Yellow sun, yellow duck, yellow car, yellow sunflower. Red, 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 red. So let's find the objects that are red in color. Red rose, red apple, red strawberry. Purple, 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 purple. So let's find the objects that are purple in color. Purple grapes, purple scissor, purple butterfly. Orange, 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 orange. So let's find the objects that are orange in color. Orange juice, orange leaf, orange cat. Next is, what are colors? Colors are all around us. Everything we can see has a color. Primary colors. Primary colors: red, yellow, blue. These are the main colors that mix to create other colors. Orange, green, purple. These colors are made by mixing two primary colors. Mixing colors. Red and yellow is orange. Red and yellow is orange. Yellow and blue is green. Yellow and blue is green. Blue and red is purple. Blue and red is purple. Good. Meanings of colors. Red. Red means love and energy. Yellow. Yellow means happiness. Blue. Blue means calm and peaceful. Green. Green means nature. White. White means cleanness. Black. Black means strong. Mysterious. Find the colors. Find the 6 colors you see in the rainbow. Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Find the colors. Find 5 colors of the balloons. Red, orange, blue, green, yellow. So children, colors are fun. Colors are everywhere. Next time you look around, You can see how many colors you can find. Thank you.